Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a saved workspace. Once done, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and scan running apps. You're also going to open Settings and go to Privacy, then Background Apps so you can toggle permissions. Focus first on obvious resource hogs like update services or chat apps. Make sure to note names exactly. You'll use them in the next step. Don't reboot yet. Keep both windows open so you can compare running processes to the settings list. You'll now stop apps and prevent relaunch. In Task Manager, select the process and click End Task to stop it immediately. Do this only for non-essential items. Next, switch to Startup and set unwanted programs to disabled so they don't auto-run after reboot. Then move to Settings, Background Apps and toggle permissions off for apps you don't want running. Once done, verify memory and CPU usage drop. If an app restarts, check its service or scheduled task in Administrative Tools and disable if appropriate. Finish by rebooting to confirm your changes persist and to clear leftover processes. After restart, reopen Task Manager to ensure the app stayed stopped and check Startup again. If an app reappeared, inspect Services and Task Scheduler for entries that relaunch it and disable those specific items. Make sure you understand dependencies before changing services. If loss of functionality occurs, restore the app to its previous state or update it to a newer version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.